गोवर्धन से 6 किलोमीटर दूर में पैठ धाम, जब राधा रानी जब आया, कृष्ण का चतुर्भुज दुर्भुज भीतर में घुस गया। कृष्ण अपना को छिपा के रखा, नारायण मूर्ति प्रकट किया, गोपी सब प्रणाम करके चला गया। राधा रानी आने से आओ और उनका चला के नहीं रहा, वो हाथ घुस गया, दो हाथ हो गया। उसने राधा रानी का प्रेम पैठ धाम, वहां पर कदम वृक्ष है, वहां पर सब सका लोग इकट्ठा हुए और सब आ गया बैलगाड़ी में। कृष्ण कहते तुम लोग को रक्षा करने के लिए मुझे गिरिराज गोवर्धन धारण करने, भक्त का हुक्म बगैर मैं नहीं करूंगा, तुम लोग हुक्म करो, मैं गोवर्धन का धारण करूंगा। न तुम्हारा हाथ बहुत कोमल है, ये पत्थर में तुम्हें चोट लगे, खून जख्म हो जाएगा, हम लोग हुक्म नहीं कर सकते। बहुत नरम है तुम्हारा हाथ, ये सख्त पहाड़ है, तुम ये परीक्षा करके देखो, नहीं तो कैसे तुम लोग का रक्षा करूंगा। एक बिहार पेड़ है कदम में, इसको घुमा सकता है, तो छोटा हाथ से घुमा, इतना बड़ा पेड़ को घुमा दिया, हाँ तुम कर सकते, लेकिन तुमको मैं सज्जित कुश्ती डालने वाला है, तो कृष्ण को सज्जित कर दिया, बाघ बना दिया इसको। कृष्ण भक्त का हुक्म मिल गया, देख के तो आश्चर्य हो गया, इतना बड़ा संपद, अभी तो 7 महीने अरे 64 महीने कुंती होते रहते, को अभिशाप 7 महीने और हर वक्त कुंती होते, तिल करके हम लोग मालूम देते, और गोवर्धन को धारण किया है। 7 दिन 7 दिन बारिश किया, अरे सारा दुनिया डूबने का है, क्या हो गया, बारिश कहाँ जाएगा। अरे जब ब्रजवासी का अंदर में इच्छा थी, हम लोग हर वक्त कृष्ण को देखेंगे, जब सेवक सेविका नंदवार जबरदस्ती देखते तो सका लोग नहीं देखते, सका लोग देखते तो गोपी लोग नहीं देखते, गोपी लोग देखते तो और नहीं देखते, सब चाहते हर वक्त कृष्ण का रूप देखेंगे। कृष्ण की इच्छा पूर्ति करने के लिए एक गोवर्धन धारण रूप से अपूर्व मूर्ति रूप से विराजमान होके 7 दिन 7 रात्रि कृष्ण का रूप देख के खाना पीना सब भूल गया, आनंद से देख रहा है। लेकिन सखाओं का थोड़ा डर हुआ, शायद ही पहाड़ गिर जाए, लक्ष्य का ठेका दिया, तो अभी हो देवराज इंद्र जाके ब्रह्मा जी के पास ऐसा एक ग्वाला का देख कर कितना हिम्मत रखता है, मेरा जुट को बंद कर, इसलिए मैं हुक्म किया सारा व्रत कटवा, पानी तो बरस रहा है, पानी कहाँ जा रहा है। ब्रह्मा जी अपना सिर पर हाथ दे, तुम भी तुम्हारा भी गलती हुआ, वो ग्वाला का लड़का नहीं है, स्वयं भगवान है, तुम अवतार का कारण है, तो भगवान के जन्म में अपराध किया, मेरा भी मैं भी ऐसा क्या करूं। कृष्ण का बहुत प्यारा है गाय, सुबह का भी है, गाय को लेके जाओ, माफ कर, गाय लेके वो कृष्ण और इंद्रदेव किया, जाके कृष्ण का स्तव किया, जो गोविंद कुंड कहते हैं, जिससे कृष्ण का अभिषेक का पानी गोविंद कुंड हो, जो माधवेंद्रपुरी बदल के वहां पर भी अमृत किया, भजन किया, गोविंद कुंड बन गया, और कृष्ण उनको थोड़ा डांट दिया, ऐसे बनने का उनको मार दिया। लेकिन कोई इंद्र का डर है, एक दफे तो अपराध हो गया, नहीं समझा, अभी वही नंदनंदन कृष्ण राधा का भाव लेके गौरांग से प्रकट होगा, जब उस लीला में अपराध ब्रह्मा जी के जैसे डर हो सकता है, इसलिए शिरोभी का बात मैं क्या करूं। अभी तो गौरांग आएगा युग में, आइए हम लोग जब गौरांग को भजन करते, पहले शिरोभी गए कहते हम लोग जाके भजन करेंगे, बस यहाँ पता है गौरा जी और शिरोभी का गौरांग का भजन करना, गौरांग को भजन करते करते गौरांग को कृपा किया, तो गौरांग उनको कृपा किया। गौरांग का भजन बहुत सहज है, उदार है, सबको कृपा मिल जाता है। पापी अपराधी सबको मिल जाते, ये बात यहाँ पर नहीं करते। इसलिए वो गोद्रुम गाय और वहां पर ध्रुम अश्वत्थ पे और उसमें देवेंद्र वहां पर आके गौर भजन किया, गौरंग को दर्शन किया, अभूतपूर्व रूप देखा, सब कुछ देखा और गौरंग को कहा जब माइक में नदिया नगर में प्रकट हो जाऊंगा। तब तक सुरभि सुंदरी वहां पर है, वहां पर सुरभि गांधी अभी भी यहाँ पर है। अभी you see very difficult now. You couldn't understand, I think. This is the place Godrumdeep. How the name here Godrumdeep, what for? What happens here? The name, you should know about the history. Here Bhakti Thakur has written by his own knowledge, transcendental spiritual knowledge. You are seeing everything here. Now you see, you have heard about Krishna Lila. In Krishna Lila, while Nanda Maharaj and other cowmen, they wanted to perform sacrifice to propitiate Devaraj Indra to Devaraj Indra. Everywhere they do this to propitiate Devaraj Indra, the presiding deity of the clouds. Then at the proper time there will be rains, and if there will be rains, then we shall get all the crops and all the grasses, etc. for the food of our cows. We are cowmen, we are cow women, and our sons are cowherd. So our only livelihood is cow. Then cows will get their food. Then we can maintain our family. Every year they used to do this. Now once Krishna saw this, Krishna asked his father Nanda Maharaj, why you have brought so much articles? What for? Knowing fully, Krishna asked. Then Nanda Maharaj said, we worship Devaraj Indra. We perform Indra Japya to propitiate Indra. If Indra is propitiated, then at the proper time there will be rains, and then we will get our crops, etc. Then we can give the food to the cows, and we can maintain our family. For that reason, everything. You do it by scriptural injunction? No, it is our family. Previously our forefathers they used to do. You see, if you got any kind of love for me, then I wanted to say something. What you want to say? We are actually maintained by Govardhan. Govardhan is giving us grass, everything. Where is Devaraj Indra? They are subservient to karma. They cannot give separately any food. If you do evil actions, then you shall get evil consequence. Good actions, good consequence. What is the use of worshipping these demigods? I do not find any utility. If you can believe on me, then it is my desire you worship Govardhan by all these articles. Then Nanda Maharaj asked other cowmen, what we have to do? Whatever Nandanandan Krishna Kanhaiya is saying, we have to do. All right. Then they engaged many cooks, and they cooked roti, a hill of roti. The hills are so many. Annakut, food come up. Meaning of the food is like a hill. They offered roti chapati, you know, here, and also laddu, and also other articles. They cooked and gave it to Govardhan, and with large amount like a hillock. And what Krishna did, Krishna shouted by taking the form of Govardhan. I am Govardhan, I am Govardhan. Shailashmi, Shailashmi. Govardhan is the mountain. Is identical with Krishna. In another form is this little boy, coward. You see Govardhan, he is taking whatever you give with thousands of hands. Every year you worship Indra. Can you say Indra came and honored those things and ate those things? Have you seen it? You have not seen. Now we see Govardhan is taking, is eating. You are astonished to see. But Govardhan is completely, by his touch, everything remains the same. There is no fear. If Govardhan took all the foods, then you will not get any food. Again it will be same. Because it's complete. There is no vacancy in his stomach. By the touch of Govardhan it becomes infinite. There is no fear. And Krishna says, let us bow down, make obeisance to Govardhan. First he has introduced this. Himself bowed down and all the gopis they also bowed. Let us perform parikrama of Govardhan. Then parikrama was also introduced. Radharani here, he has sung the glories of the Govardhan as Haridasa Bhajya, the foremost among the devotees of Krishna, Govardhan. By serving Govardhan we serve Krishna's own associates, personal associates, devotees. By stopping worshipping of demigods, Krishna introduced service, worship of Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna and his servitors. Now, Devaraj Indra was very much became furious. What is this? This coward boy. There is so much audacity. Son of a cowman, cowwoman. He stopped my Jaggat. I shall eliminate, dilute all Brajabandhas. He ordered all the presenting deities of the clouds. You inundate whole Brajadham and propagated everything. Like the trunk of the elephant, showers are coming. And whole Brajabandhan was inundated. Then the Brajavasis, they were crying. They are crying and calling Krishna. Krishna saying, no fear, no fear. You come, keeping your all things of the home, of the house. Houses you keep it in the bullock cart and come to me. Give over your houses. Come to me. I shall make arrangement. Don't be afraid. All the gopis there and the cow herders. And when you perform Brajavandana Parikrama, you will find one place is there. Vaitradham. Vaitradham, there Krishna took the form of the Narayan, Chaturbhuj, forehand, and appeared before gopis when there is separation grief, when Krishna disappeared from Rashtriya. At that time, Krishna appeared before them as Narayan. They go, oh, Narayan, Majesty, which is not one. After bowing, they left. But when Radharani came, Krishna could not keep his forehand. Two hands entered with him. He became Krishna. Radharani's flame is such. Krishna could not keep his forehand. He had to take in the two hands within his body and it became Krishna. That is the point of the Dham. They are all gathered and all the shakas came. Krishna said to the shakas, without the permission of the devotees, how can I do? I shall have to lift this Govardhan mountain at them, go them about 64 miles, now it is 7 miles. By Pulastamani's cars, decreasing. Now it has come to 7 miles or less than that. But originally it's 54 miles. Krishna is Supreme Lord. He lifted the Bible with left hand, small finger. Now before that, Krishna said to the cowherd boys, you see, I shall have to lift this mountain. Otherwise I cannot rescue you from this deluge. Then cowherd boys, they said, your hand is very soft. This rock will injure your hand. We cannot allow you to lift this great mountain. It will injure your hand. Your hand is very soft. But how can I rescue you? You examine me. Tell me, for your belief, what I have to do. There is a big tree, Kadamba tree, that is the tropical tree here. Big tree, very big. You can twist it, yes. In a minute, with soft and right. Your astrology. Oh, yes, you can. Then they dress Krishna. They are wrestlers. After dressing, then they allow, all right. Then Krishna lifted it. He was astonished to see, oh, such a big mountain. His mountain may fall down. Let us also, he gets support by the sticks there also. So that the mountain. This is the sweetness of Brother. For 7 days, there are incessant rains, but nothing happened. Devaraj Indra was astonished. Whole world is to be deluged. What is this? Where the water is going? Then he went to Brahma. Then they cowherd boy. He stopped my Durga, my puja. He punished them. I ordered the deities, presiding deities of the clouds, to shower rains. The whole world is to be deluged, inundated. But nothing had happened. What is this? Oh, we have committed a great mistake. I also committed. He is not an ordinary cowherd boy. The Supreme Lord, Lord of all Lords. Yes. Then that right is what can it be? We have to pray, to owe him and to pray always. Please, God be from heaven. But you have to take with you Surabhi Gavi. Gavi, cow, very dear. Even Surabhi Gavi with Gavi. Surabhi Gavi, heaven of the heaven, Surabhi Gavi. To take her with you, then Krishna will forgive you. Who is Surabhi Gavi? Krishna went, Indradev went there to Krishna and said prayers, made obeisances and prayed, excuse me for that. Krishna, excuse me, don't disturb the vanity. And he, Abhishek, he bathed Krishna with there the Kunda, Govinda Kunda is manifested. Where rather, our Madhavendra Puripad was there and he performed worship. We used to see that place. And when after being forgiven by Krishna, then Devaraj Indra was thinking, now Krishna is Kali Yuga, taking the form of and complexion of Radharani will appear as Bhagavan. I may commit offense again. There is no certainty. I have got vanity. I am the emperor of the heaven. And he tried to get advice from Surabhiga. What we should do? Surabhiga said, let us go to Navadvip Dham. Before the appearance of Gauranga, let us wash. And it is very easy to satisfy Gauranga. He He has got mercy for all those who are sinners and offenders. So we can get easily His grace if we can worship Him. By the advice of Surabhi Gavi, Indra came here under the tree, Ashwatha tree, fig tree, big, and performed bhajan, and always crying and weeping and calling Gaurang. Gaurang Mahaprabhu appeared and specified him. Gaurang said, well, I shall again here, I shall appear here. And Mahadev will come, she will come with his consort to worship Gaurang. But that is, this place is known as Jodhrumdi, Gadi Gacha. Ordinary people say Gadi Gacha. Godhrum, Gai, Surabhi Gavi, and Dhrum means tree, Ashwatha tree. दोनों का सामंजस्य हुआ. The two are there, but that is known as Godhrum. And ordinary people say Gadi Gacha. There is another history here. Our Bhakti Thakur has said, Kathay Ashiya Kohila Has. Godhrum Namete Deepa Hai, Surabhita Padatta Ekhane Rahe. Krishna Maya Vashe Devendra Jabe, Ashay Gokul Nija Gaurabe, Govardhan Giri Dhariya Hari. Rokhila Gokul Jatana Kori, Indradarpa Churno Haile Par, Sachipati Chine Sarangadhar, Vijayaparad Marjana Tare, Korila Krishna Charana Dhari, Daya Samudra Nanda Tanai, Kavila Indre Dila Bhai, Tathapi Indre Rahila Bhai, Surabhi Nikate Takana Bhai, Krishna Mui Bujite Nari, Aparad Baba Haila Bhai, Shrichi Korite Prajendra Sutta, Koribe Nodia Lila Adbhuta, Pache Shashay Mohita Haba, Aparadi Puno Hei Rahita, Tumita Surabhi Sakala Jana, Koro Ekhon Tahara Vidhana, Hey, Idamra, Vishunit. এত বলে প্রভু অদৃশ্য হয় অশ্বত্থের নিকটে রহিল সুরের সুন্দরী কথায় রয় অশ্বত্থের নিকটে রহিল দেবী নিরন্তর গৌ চরণ সেবী গোদ্রুম দীপ্ত হইল নাম এথায় পুরায় ভগত কাম তারপর এখানে নিকণ্ড শুদ্ধ मार्कंड मुनिका जो वहाँ पर इष्टदेव महादेव देखता है ना मार्कंड मुनिका इष्टदेव और सुरभि गावी भी है वहाँ पर जो हम लोग प्रणाम किया पाए उसके बाद भजन स्थली है मृगंड सुत कैसे यहाँ पर आया उद्धार हुआ इस विषय में এই দিকে কবু মৃগণ্ড সুত প্রলয়ে আছিল কথা অদ্ভুত সাত কল্প আয়ু পাইল মুনি প্রলয়ে বড়ই বিপদ গণি জলময় হইল সমস্ত স্থান কোথা বা রহিবে করে সন্ধান সমস্ত প্রলয়েতে সাত কল্পকাল তিনি আয়ু পেয়েছিলেন মৃগণ্ড সুতরাং মহাপ্রলয়ের সময় কষ্ট সেখানে মরতেও পারে না আবার কষ্ট সহ্য করতে পারে জলময় হইল সমস্ত স্থান কোথা বা রহিবে করে সন্ধান ভাসিয়া ভাসিয়া চলিয়া যায় কেন হেন বর লইল হায় 16 ক্রোশ মাত্র নদিয়া দাম জাগিয়া ভগতে দেয় বিশ্রাম জলের তরঙ্গে ভাসিয়া মুনি অজ্ঞান হইয়া পরে অমনি মহা কৃপা করি সুরবিতায় যতনে মুনিরে হেতা উঠায় সম্মিত লভিয়া মৃগণ্ড সুত দেখিল গোদ্রুম দ্বীপ অদ্ভুত শতকোটি ক্রোশ বিস্তার স্থান নদ নদী সভা প্রকাশমান শতকোটি ক্রোশ শতকোটি millions of miles Godhrum Deep you are seeing small within 60 crores 32 miles but here it is written Shatakoti because it is identical with Supreme Lord, Supreme is infinite. There is no limitation. We are seeing it in limited form. There is 60 crores. But Shatakoti crores, crores means 2 miles, 200 crores. Mile. Millions of miles. Because it is identical to Supreme, it is infinite. There is a limitation in it. Not the Shava Prakashaman, Kurulata Kata Shavaya Tata, Kivan Gaisi Gaura Gata, Jodana Vistar Ashata Hero, Shurubika Tata Darshana, Jodana Vistar, Ashata Pe, हम लोग देख रहे हैं क्या देख रहा है थोड़ा सा है लेकिन यहाँ कहते हैं 8 माइल दिखता है 8 माइल ये आए यहाँ पर सब अनंत है सुरभि के तथा दर्शन करो धाया गुण मुनि तखन सुरभिर पति बले वचन तुम्हें भगवती राघव परान दुग्ध दिया मोरे करह त्राण सुरभि तखन सदय हये पियाइल दुग्ध मुनि के लये সকল সবল হইয়া নিকণ্ড শুনু সুরভীর প্রতি কহে পুনঃ তুমি ভগবতী জননী মর তোমার মায়ের জগত ভোর না বুঝি আমি লয়েছি বর সপ্তকল্প জীব হয়ে অমর বয়সময়ে বড়ই দুঃখ নানাবিধ ক্লেশ নাই কসু কি করে জননী বলগো মরে কিসে বা যাইব এই দুঃখ করে সুরভী তখন বলিল বাণী बजह गौर पद दुखारी वही विक्रम शुद्ध को वही एक ही बार गौरव का भजन करने के लिए निकट उनको दूध पिलाया महाप्रलय में भूख में बहुत कष्ट पाया और माता जी के पास आश्रय लिया शुरू में उनको दूध पान करके उनको ताकत दिया फिर मेरा तो यही तो वरण ले लिया सप्तकाल रहेंगे इसका बाद क्या होगा आओ तो हमको इतना भाई मिला फिर प्रलय होगा फिर कष्ट होगा कोई चिंता नहीं है गौर पद सब तकलीफ है गौर पद दुकान नवद्वीप प्रकृति पार वो नाश नहीं है सर्वज किया षोड़श क्रोश परम वैकुंठ सदा अपराकृत देश का देखा नहीं जड़वा के बाकी हो नहीं नवद्वीपे देखो son of Nikonda. Nikonda, he had only one son, and he came to learn that his son span of life only for 10 years of age. After 10 years, his son will die. Only son, and that son will die after 10 years of age. So parents cannot be happy by hearing. Nikonda was very much rejected, but could not say divert this to his son. Only he instructed the son, whoever agent person, whoever come to you, or any Rishi Muni, you have to make prostrate of it. This is my desire. Once Saptarshi, the sons created from the mind of Brahma, Manasu. Saptarshi came, Marichi, etc. So came Saptarshi very powerful. Their son made obeisance. By seeing the son, they had affection. And gave this food. Your life will be for a long time. Chirayu ho jao. Always you live. There will be no death. Then, my Kundya, my son is kind of like only 10 years. And you have given this food, given this blessing. How it will be fulfilled? Is it so? By seeing your son, small boy, doing such obeisances, that sleep drunk. What? Let him take to Brahma. Without any penance, Saptarshi took the son of Nikonda, Markanda, the son, Markanda Muni, to Brahma, without any penance, he went. And they said, we have been become the house, and his son, young son, made a business to us, and we had affection for him. And we gave a blessing. You shall remain forever. You shall live forever. The slip of tongue. Now we heard that his lifespan is only for 10 years. Oh, he will have Saptakarpaka. One day of Brahma is not so. You cannot enumerate it, count it mathematically. The 7 days of Brahma's life. Then becomes the Shuddha now after getting this long span of life. When at daytime it is good, creation is there. The night of Brahma, all are destroyed and they are diluted and thrown into the ocean, and all the big fishes they struck and all the waves. He could not die because they have got this good. He will live for but tremendous suffering. Why have taken this boon? What is wanting in the time of deluge? Serious trouble. I will die and I had to suffer so much. By that, by his own fortune, he came to this during the time of this deluge. And he came to Navadvip Dham, and Surabhi Gavi, Surabhi cow was there. And Surabhi cow, when he came to Surabhi cow, Surabhi saw Markandeya, by seeing that, is very much hungry. Oh mother, rescue me, I am very happy. Then Surabhi Gavi gave him milk and he came to life. Then he addressed me, you are my mother. Now you have given my life. But I have got this boon. I shall have to live in this world for 7 days and 7 nights. What further? This sort of suffering, how I can be rescued? Yes, this is Navadvip. You have come here. You worship Gaurahari. Then you can get. Gaurahari, it is very easy to worship. Easily he will be satisfied. And your all obstacles will be removed. And you have got your attachment to these worldly things will be removed. And you will get the highest object of Krishna prema. Then you will get the highest object, you will dance. And you utter the name of Gaurahari. And Gaurahari will take you and give you the Krishna prema, the highest. And there will be no suffering. Then Markandeya, Bhajan, and God will serve. Yes. Gaur Premanande. মন্দিরে আমি ছিলাম অনেকদিন আগে কথা বলছি, তখন এরকম জায়গা ছিল না, সব জঙ্গল, কড়া বন, আর সে বনের মধ্যে অনেক জানোয়ার ছিল, তার মধ্যে সাপ ছিল, নাই, তখন এদিকে বসতি ছিল। এখানে আমাদের আশ্রম মহারাজ আশ্রমের বন্ধ, তারপরে এখানে তীর্থ মহারাজের দেখতে পাচ্ছিল কালা মদন পূর্ণিমা এদিকে থাকলে আমাদের পাঠানের বিমান আমার স্বাস্থ্য পরিবর্তন হবে, এখানকার জল ভালো, স্বাস্থ্য পরিবর্তন এখানে আসলাম। আমাদের কালো মদন বললেন যে আমাদের তো বাইরে কাজ করতে হয়, আপনি পূজাটা পূজা আমি শিক্ষা দিই, পূজা শেখালাম, আমার পূজার গুরু হচ্ছে শেখালো, শিখলাম। তারপরে বাসন ভাজা পূজা করতে, আর সে বাইরে কাজ করতো, রান্না করতো। এখন অনেক জঙ্গল আছে তো, জঙ্গলের মধ্যে একটু চঞ্চলতা, ওদিক যায় ওদিক যায় ওদিক যায়, আমি জঙ্গলের মধ্যে কি ঘুরবেন না, ওখানে থাকতে পারি, ঘুরে ঘুরে কলা কান্দি আছে একটা জায়গায় গিয়ে একটা কি করতে গিয়ে এতবার একটা পায়ে ঘুরে বললাম 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 রক্ত দেখুন, আমি আর থাকবে না, আমি তার গান চলে করবো কে, আমি সবটা আমার বুঝতে হবে, আপনি এখন ঘাবড়াচ্ছেন না, আমি থাকি, চাল আছে ডাল আছে সব আছে, রান্না করবো কি করে, লাকড়ি কোথায়, লাকড়িতে যাই, কলা গাছ কলা গাছের সুন্দর পাতা দিয়ে লাকড়ি বলে শিখে। তো আমি তো রান্না করছি, তারপরে আবার বাসন বাজছি, আবার পূজা করছি সব, আর যারা এসছে তারা ওই পানটা তো খেয়েছে, ওই আশ্রমারে তার পেট তুলে গেছে, আরো ফলে আমি একা একা বোকা। কিন্তু রান্না করবার সময় অসুবিধা হয়ে, রান্না করবার সময় ওই পাতাটা দেওয়া হয়তো যাতে হয়তো জ্বলে উঠে আবার নিভে যায়, আবার এটা পুজিয়ে সব সব সাইকেলে সব কি করে রান্না করবে এখন আমি সব ছেড়েও দিতে পারছি না, বললো আমরা সিদ্ধ করবো, তাও সিদ্ধ করে আমি ট্রাই করতে গেলে কত কষ্ট, ওদের আমার কষ্ট কষ্ট, কিন্তু ওটা ছেড়ে চলে যাবে, কিন্তু লোক ছেড়ে না আছে, চুরি করে নিয়ে গেলে সব কিছু কেউ নাই। এখন ভগবানের স্বাস্থ্য পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে, स्वास्थ्य परिवर्तन के लिए आया, स्वास्थ्य परिवर्तन के लिए यहाँ पर गुरु महाराज सेंट लिया, go there and then we check into the place, no, there are no houses here, only jungle, whole area, and there were snakes and frogs and other animals, and our teacher Maharaj Bhakti, the teacher Maharaj 27, Madan Gopal, he was staying here. And when I came, our Guru said, you go there, you can, water is good, and it will be effective for your, to correct your digestion in the stomach. Your sort of digestion problem is good for you. For the health result. So I have come here, and another Ashram Maharaj, he sent 2 persons for Seva. And they remained for some time. After taking their rice too much in the morning, stale rice of the night, they got some sort of pain in it. No, we shall not be able to stay here. They fled. And Kalamadan, my son, Kalamadan, he was moving into the jungle. He don't go there. They are snake there. No, he was a bit restless. And he used to pluck some fruit. And by doing that, one horn went into his feet. And that here, who helped me? And he taught me. You learn puja. I said, go outside first. He is my guru of like teaching me how to perform puja. He is still living. His name is Puri Maharaj. When I was moving in the, I was performing on food, then he was going on the rickshaw. He got down. Why you are going on food? You die. You take rickshaw. Why? No. At this age, no, I didn't do it. No, you drink on rickshaw. Yes. Puri Maharaj. And he was my guru to teach me how to perform puja. And he left. Then I was alone. I was doing puja, I was cleaning the utensils, I was cooking, everything. And I was alone. But I got no difficulty. Only difficulty is to cook. Because there is no food here. No food. How I shall cook? But you have got these dry leaves of the banana trees. Banana tree, dry leaves. Sometimes there is fire, sometimes there is no fire. And when I push here, there, all these ashes come. I found great difficulty. Otherwise I had no difficulty. I was perfectly alone. And Guru Maharaj, when he came to Mayapur, he asked about, where is Krishna Balaram? When he is there, in Subarnagar, there is nobody there. Nobody? Then he sent Seva and brought me back from this man. For Guru Maharaj said first. And Guru Maharaj said, now there is no necessity of a religion there for keeping a body fit. Now it is enough, has done, to come to God. This is the place. I have got experience. This is Suvarna Vihar. Now I am reading Bengali. You have to learn Bengali. The written by, or they may not understand that it is the effect. Because it is the sayings of a realized soul. Our philosophy is the total. And you have got a habit to go through Bengali books. Because our Param Pujya Swami Maharaj used to sing Bengali songs. I heard it very clever about it. He always used to, sometimes he used to explain in English, sometimes he did not. But all others are repetitive. They have got the habit to repeat. Hindi may not understand, but Bengali you can understand. Is that it?
We memorize the words and meanings.
Jai Sri Chaitanya Chandra Jaya Prabhu Nityananda Jatvaita Jaya Gadadha Jaya Srivasadi Bhakta Gaura Pade Anurasta Jaya Navadvipa Dhamavai Chariya Vishramastan Sijive Maiya Jan Jathagram Suvarna Vihar Vishramthan. Yesterday we had been to Siddharanga. That's the Vishram. Vishramthan. The devotee's house. They got no wealth. But the greatest wealth is the love for Krishna. Actually he is the wealthy person. There is no wealth of this manliness. This world. In worldly sense it is very poor. But in spiritual sense, he was a great wealthy person. He has got prem, love for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he went to his house, he took water from a very old iron pot with holes in it. And he drank it by taking water from the earthen pot. With the earthen pot. And when Siddharth saw it, our most beloved Srila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is dashed in. I am so glad by taking the water, drinking the water from by a glass used by the devotee. Very pure. From here, to rest, all with all Vaishnavas and came to here. Yesterday we had documentation. Yatha Gram Suvarna Bihar, वही जी प्रभु काय अपूर्व स्थान है नवद्वीप प्रकृति नवद्वीप धाम is transcendental realm, it is not this mundane realm. Mundane sense organs you cannot. Mundane sense organs you will feel that it is very hot, and there dust, the road is hot, and our by moving in this, you are thirsty in the Ekadashi, when you should take water, when you should take it. You will feel like but those who have got the transcendental sense organs, their transcendental sense organs can have contact with transcendental objects of the sense organs. Everything is spiritual there. They have got no difficulty. For us. For me, not for us. You can have divorce. I forced to divorce. But actually I am very good. सत्ययुगे स्थाने शिव राजा सबे जाने शिवर्ण सेन तार नाम बहुकाल राज्य कहिल परेते पार्थक्य हईल प्रभु नहीं कार्य विश्राम। सत्ययुग में इस स्थान में एक राजा थे, उनका नाम सुवर्ण से। उनका बुढ़ा हुआ तब भी विषय का धंधा नहीं, हर वक्त विषय का धंधा। बुढ़ा हो गया तो मर जाएगा तब। Satyajug, one king was here in this place, of the name of Suvarna Sen. He became old, yet he has got the desire of wealth. How to earn money, how to earn money, how to increase money, always thinking. You die, you think about Lord. Okay, always you are thinking, money, increase money, how long you will live with it? But he has got it. Being old also, he is thinking about how to earn money, how to earn. Bhoga Rajya Kahila, Parate Bharta Kahila, Prabhuna He Kajyate Vishram, Vishay Avishta Chitta, Kise Vriddhi Hai Vitta, Ei Chinta Kare Naravar, Janiki Bhakta Vashe, Narad Kathai, Rajatare Pujila Vistar, Narader Daya Haila, Tattva Padesha Kahila, राजा ने तो भैया निर्जन हाथ हो जाना। कोई पहले का सुकृति से क्या हुआ, वो तो विषय का धंधा ही चिंता करे, विषय धंधा विषय रहने से हमारा शुरू हुआ, यही उनका मांग। इस समय में कोई भगवान नारद आ गया उनके पास। जब कोई साधु शुद्ध भक्त आ जाते हैं, उनका सौभाग्य होता है, ऐसा नहीं आते पहले को सुकृति होगा। नारद को देख के उनका आनंद हुआ, वो साधु आ गया, उनको राजा ऐसा विषय होने से भी उनको पूजा किया, उनको सम्मान किया। नारद का दया हुआ तो नारद देखा जी इतना अच्छा राजा है, एक विषय की चिंता धंधा में है, तो उनको तत्व हो गया। क्या हुआ, दिस किंग ऑलवेज थिंकिंग अबाउट इन ओल्ड एज हाउ टू इंक्रीज मनी, हाउ टू इंक्रीज मनी, हाउ टू ऑलवेज always attached to the family affairs and all these worldly elements. Thinking about that, that is the only aim of our life. But fortunately, Narad said his holy principle. The dearest of Supreme God, Narad. Because he must have done, doing or undoing some sort of eternal good deeds. But that is Narad came to. By seeing Narad, eternally, although he is trying for all these increased money and getting also money, but there is also mental disturbance also there. When he saw Narad, a very stalwart figure, then he was attracted, and he worshipped, made obeisance. And seeing him humble, the Narad, why this king is always thinking about worldly affairs? I am to advise. This person is good. He will be able to accept. internally good, but he is ignorant. নারদের দয়া হইল তত্ত্বোপদেশ কইল রাজের তো লইয়া নির্জনে with other subjects of the other persons. If Narad says something which is not, the other person do not know, then he will feel some sort of shy. For that reason, in a secluded place, Narad is anxiety. You are a Vishui, you are attached on the worldly things, why you are to other persons will not do. But they are subordinate to all the workers and all the officers. So you are taken in the way how to speak. Narad Goswami took a lonely place and that vice. Narad kahen raay pita tabo din jaye artha chinta kori mane mane artha ke anartha jana paramartha divya jnana hriday bhav hoy ekbar. तो ये हर वक्त तुम विद्या का धंधा करते हो, विद्या का चिंता करते हो, कितना दिन तुम जिंदा रहोगे। ये अनर्थ है, ये अर्थ ही अनर्थ। जितना अर्थ होगा जितना भोग बढ़ेगा, जितना भोग बढ़ेगा इतना तुम्हारा परमार्थ नष्ट हो जाएगा। ये मनुष्य जन्म परमार्थ के लिए है, भगवान की प्राप्ति के लिए है, तो पीछे धंधा करने के लिए। Narad Goswami started advising. You always think about how to increase money, how to increase money. What benefit you will get by that? You are spoiling your time. This money is actually it is not our necessity. It will increase our troubles. If you think about this, then this human life, human part is meant for worship of the Guru. You will not find time to worship the Guru. You are spoiling the time. Why you are spoiling the time for thinking about these non-eternal things? तारा पुत्र बंधु जान केह नहे निज जान मरते केह नहे कारो तुम्हारा मरण हले देह की भाषाएं जले अभी जाते गृही अपराध तदे कन मिथ्याशा विषय जल पिपासा यदि केह नहीं कोई लकार যদি বড় লোভী সুখ জীবনে না পাইতু অতএব অর্থ চেষ্টা করি এই মিথ্যা কথা রায় জীবন অমিথ্যা নাকি রহে শতবর্ষ পরি। Always you're thinking about wife, children, your non-eternal relation friends. They are only your apparent relation, but no real relation. This apparent false. When you die, everything will be actually. You had many relations in your previous life, and you have forgotten everything. When you will die and you will be born in another place, you will forget this, everything. So why you are thinking of this non-eternal relation? All in foolishness. When you will die, then they will take your body, they will bury it, or they will burn it, or they will, as per the system, devour it by the beasts and birds. That is the ultimate end of this process. Reduced to ashes, or reduced to worms and bark, or reduced to stool of beasts, excrements of beasts. Why you are doing it? With the false hope that you will get ananda. As much you will give attention to the knowledge, so much you will get disturbed. You should not do this. If you say, yes, we can get some temporary sensual enjoyment, that is also false. Not because your life is very temporary life, perishable life. No, you can remain here more than 100 years. You have to die. As much attachment you will have in this world, at the time of death, so much trouble, so much pain you will get for living this. So we should remain unattached, so that at the time of death you have got no such affliction. Messenger of God that will come to take it. And you have got attachment to the worldly things, worldly property. You will not be able to give up. But what messenger of God force you will take it. Immense trouble. Why are you taking it? All these are after death, everything will be finished. मुट्ठी बंद आया जगत में हाथ पसारे जब आया और जन्म से आया क्या लेके आया कुछ भी लेके नहीं आया मरने का वक्त सब छोड़ के चला जाता at the time of death you have to give up everything. Why are you increasing all these temporary matters? अतीब जानो सार जितने भी माया का यथार्थ के दुख को नहीं standard and real, you to cross over this apparent worldly relation created by the usual energy of 15. You go to the positive happiness, that is the transcendental realm. There, the suffering does not exist there. Only happiness is there. Positive happiness. Here you think, when you will be in possession of miseries, you think we have got some sort of pleasure. Renunciation, like Gandhi, yogis, Gandhi also drive. And you want to get the margins to the impersonal or yourself. What benefit will you get? You are killing yourself. That is also not good. By committing suicide, by destroying you, and you want to destroy yourself to the formless, impersonal. What benefit will you get? By enjoyment you will not be benefited. By application also you will not. So-called application. कोई बोले आनंद ना है, सर्वनाश बोलता है. कोई बोले नितांत धिक्का. Only to merge oneself to the impersonal formless or to the personal supreme God. If you merge yourself there, then you will lose. You have to taste the sweetness of it by bhakti. That is only nature. Edike Vishaya Gala, just in Jnani Yogis, they have given up Vishaya, but they will not gain anything superior. What benefit will you? But if you can get bhakti, Shuddha bhakti, by you can taste the sweetness, the sweetness of Supreme Lord. All kinds of suffering will be removed and you will be drowned in the ocean of Ananda, complete bliss. Atev Jnanijan, Mukti Mukti nahi. Those that their actual wise, they do not want enjoyment of the world, also they do not want salvation. Krishna Bhakti Karana Sadhan, they only practice Krishna Bhakti. Vishaya Anashakti Krishna Pade Anurakti, Sambandha Vidya Praya. You have to practice non-attachment to non-eternal things and attachment to the lotus feet of Krishna. You have to know about Sambandha Vidya Praya, what you are in relation to Supreme Lord. Who is Supreme Lord? He is person. He is the cause of all causes and you are part of the potency of Vidya. And what is the method you have to adopt? What is your necessity? Love for Supreme Lord. That is your necessity. That you can do by bhakti. Jeev se Krishna da, bhakti bina sarvana, bhakti dikke phale prem phal. Sei phal prayojan, Krishna prem nityadan, bhakti dikke Krishna. These living beings, all these living beings in this world, are in the true self, in the real self, is eternal servant of Supreme Lord. They are, if they have given up the service and love for Krishna, then they will not get the actual benefit. Their whole prospect for getting eternal benefit will be destroyed. Only by, if you cultivate bhakti, then by that bhakti you can get prem form. Prem for a proof, the prem love for Krishna. The Krishna is absolute existence, absolute knowledge, absolute bliss. Then you will have in contact with absolute existence, absolute knowledge, absolute bliss. And all these worldly things, apparently they seem to be existing, but actually they are not existing, they are non-existent. It is like a shadow of a tree. The shadow of a tree has got no practical existence. Only seems to be happening. There is no practical. From tree you can get timber, but from the shadow of the tree you can get timber. By eating a fruit from the actual tree you can fulfill your appetite, or you can remove your hunger. But the shadow of the fruit, this world is shadow. It is just when one becomes averse to Krishna, then you see this world. They see this world seems to be existing. It has got knowledge, it has got happiness, but actually it is devoid of knowledge, devoid of existence. You are giving attention to this. You're spoiling your time. Right about time. Your relation with Supreme Lord Sri Krishna is absolute conscious suffering. The unconscious material things are devoid of happiness. He is all consciousness. He is all this. You turn your face there and you get love for him. Give up your aspiration for enjoyment and for emancipation, all these things. Krishna Chidananda Rodi, Mayatar Chayachak, Jeev Tar Kirunanuga, Samasta Dharmer Vasi, Jeev Judi Mayas Pasti, Mayatare Kore Bandha. Krishna Bahirmukh Jai Mayas Pasti Jeev Se, Mayas Pasti Karma Sangha Paye. Maya Jale Bhrami Mare, Karma Kare Nahi Kare, Kastana, Jantana Kare. Though you know that the outcome of the marginal potential of the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. Potency belongs to Supreme Lord. He is the owner. Actually, you are the eternal servant. When you forget Sri Krishna, then he is usually and then lost. And you become averse to it. And you run after all these phantasmagoria. You think this world will give you happiness. These are the phantasmagoria. It seems to be that this world is existing, world has got knowledge, the world, the existence of knowledge is there, all the existence of peace is there. You think like that. Actually, you avoid it. So, you should give up this, you should take shelter of the Supreme Lord. All these karma gain, you should give up. These are the causes of our suffering. Increase your suffering. Prabhu karma achare arthanga yogamaya, Prabhu brahma jnana, Prabhu tarka kare apane nahi kare, nahi mane atma tattva jnana. Pavitra hoite jade bhakta jana sangha habe, tabe shraddha hoibe nirmal. When my thoughts will come and luck, I shall be lucky, then Shuddha Bhakta will come to me and he will divert my attention towards Supreme Lord. And he will awaken my eternal nature of the real self. You are eternal servant of Sri Krishna. You will worship because you will get everything. By the association of bona fide sadhu, not so-called appropriate. Sadhu Sangi Krishna Bhaji, Hidaya Arasta Teji, Nishtha Lava Pare Shubhava, Bhaji Bhaji Tabe Shei Nishtha Ruchi Habe, Tabe Ruchi Heiva Asakti, Asakti Heiva Bhaat Tahe Habe Premana, Ei Kurde Hai Siddha. When you perform bhajan, all the devotional forms, there will be one-pointed devotion. Then you will have taste for it, and you will have attachment to it, and that will go up again to half. And it will be, after asakti attachment, then you will have love for Krishna. And ultimately, that devotional love or delightfulness with love relation, and you will get that, then you will not return now in this world. Ei karve hai shuddha bhakti, Shravana kirtanamati seva Krishna chandati, Darsha Sakha Atma Nivedana, Navada sadhana ei bhakti.